S1, Mechiman Ensign Jemar N. Feliz. S2, Mechiman Ensign Cedric John Layosa. S3, Mechiman Ensign John Ray Gabalfin. S4, Mechiman Ensign Paul Manalo. S5, Majorates Leader Princess Taugan Riola. Band Leader Mechiman Michael Angelo Alvarez. Company Commander Mechiman Ensign John Angelo Aguila. Company EXO Mechiman Ensign Jeffrey Garcia. First Platoon Leader Boys Mechiman Ensign Romulo Gatpandan. Second Platoon Leader Girls Midshipwoman Ensign Jessica Vera. Commandant Commander Wendell Boy Buntang, Philippine Navy. Band Advisor Coordinator Harold Hernandez. Majorates Trainer Napoleon Molina. Francis Leo Abejo. Band Master Trainer Raymond Dino Acido. Adrian Avelin Arcilla. 3, number 74. Miners, Polytechnic Colleges, Foundation, Canaman, Incorporated. Thank you very much. Entry number 74, Mariners, Polytechnic Colleges Foundation of Canaman, Camarines Sur, Incorporated. Next.